Welcome to TechLeaper channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix monitor screen going black randomly on your Windows 10 laptop or desktop computer. Now to fix this, what you have to do is just go to your search and search for Edit Power Plan. Then from the best matches, just open up Edit Power Plan. Then just expand the window. From here, make sure Turn Off Display is set to Never. And Put the Computer to Sleep is also set to Never. And then from here, click on Change Advanced Power Settings. From here, scroll down a bit and you'll see PCIe Express. Just expand this, and then you'll see Link State Power Management. Expand this as well. From here, make sure the setting is set to Off. Click on Apply, click on OK. Then just close all this. The next step, what you can do is just change your refresh rate of your monitor. So just right click on your desktop, then just click on Display Settings. Expand this and scroll all the way down. You'll see Advanced Display Settings. Just click on that. And from here, under Refresh Rate, you can change your refresh rate. Try to test every single refresh rate which doesn't make your monitor go black, and use that. And after that, just close this. And the next step which you can follow is update your graphics driver. To do that, what you have to do is come here on the Start button, right click on it, and from here, just click on Device Manager. Just expand this. And then from here, what you have to do is just expand Display Drivers. Here, you'll see your graphics drivers. Just right click on it, and click on Update Driver. Click on Search automatically for drivers. If you don't have the latest driver, it's gonna upgrade you to the latest driver. But it says for me the best drivers are already installed, so I don't need to update my drivers. So I'll just click on Close, and close this as well. And the last step which I can follow is just go to Search, and search for Check for Updates, and just open this up. And from here, just click on Check for Updates. This is gonna check for latest Windows updates. And if some are pending, just update to the latest Windows version and have the latest patches. And hopefully that should fix it. And then just go ahead and restart your computer. And that's basically it. And basically that is how to fix monitor screen going black randomly on your Windows 10 laptop or desktop computer. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.